What if I told you simple black and white lines, literally just stick figures, are pulling in hundreds of millions of views and making creators money? And a lot of them are doing it on autopilot. So for example, this relatively new channel here has 32,000 subscribers and 69 videos, and they are making a couple of $1,000s a month. We have this channel, which has been around a little longer, but the same concept, and they're generating possibly up to $13,000 a month. And well, you need a good idea, good thumbnail, good title. The actual creation of these videos is much easier than ever before. I'm going to show you how you can generate a full animated stick figure video about literally anything you want, about any story that comes to mind. And I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly and very easily, so you can start making these type of channels yourself. Now, here's a quick demo before I show you how to do it.
Energy isn't just a textbook concept. It is the raw, unfiltered pulse of the universe. Potential kinetic. Watch closely. Class is now in session. Who is ready to catch some volts?
As always, I will have a link to the description below, but today we're using OiiOii AI, so we're just going to sign in. And when you're signed in, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And you can just type in whatever you want. You're not really prompting, you're just creating a story. OiiOii model is extremely good, taking whatever you want and turning it into an actual video. I'll show you the workflow in just a second. I've gone through this a number of times on the channel. I just think this is a phenomenal tool, and there's so many different use cases you can actually use it with. So the stick figure video is really cool. So I want to show this one, but you basically just type in whatever you want. You can also add like square brackets for like a character or a style reference, but I'm going to show you here. You can actually hit the plus and you can upload it. We can click the script if we want, and we can add a text file, a doc, a PDF, whatever we want. We can add in a script, or we can also go here, and if we click it, it's going to bring up a style library. So there are a ton of different styles you can pick from. We're under all, and you can go to like recently used, you can go to Eastern, we can go to like 3D style if you want something that's more 3D-ish, illustration style, and you can see what's here. You have all these different options of the type of style that you're looking for. So you can see that there is a lot. I want something that's more of like the stick figure style, and I can prompt it and say, hey, I want a stick figure style. I can do a lot of different things with this, or you can see I'm just kind of going through all of them, or we can go to my styles. We can actually upload a style. So this is the style that I have uploaded. So I've uploaded this as my style. So I want just kind of like clean lines and really like, you get the idea. This is the style we're going with. That is my stick person. And now we can just add in a prompt. So I want a story about whatever. And when you do that, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And on the left, we have our project, and you can see here, it's just asking me questions and I have to confirm. We'll come back to that in just a sec. Let me scroll up and show you. I have added in my text with my story, and it's just like a really simple story here. And then I added in the type of style I want, and that was it. That's all I entered. The art director comes in, it's making everything. It says, hey, how do you want it to be? So I said a long animation, over a minute, horizontal. And again, I can pick the exact like aspect ratio I want, the dialogue language, and it's going to go through and it's going to invite these different people to the chat. So the art director has invited the character designer. I think it's really cool. We can click overview. You can see everything that's happening. We can go to just the script, and then we can hit view and you can see just the script. We can edit it. We can regenerate it. And then we can go to the role. We can see our energy controller, what that looks like. And now you can actually see the entire story that it's making, all the different scenes, and eventually to the storyboard. So that's kind of where we're at right now. And you can see as we go through, it has made everything. OiiOii has done it all, and I haven't really had to lift a finger. I can always go through and I can like make an edit about anything I want. I can hit edit, I can replace, I can add it to the chat and say, hey, I want to do this or that to it. I have full control, or alternatively, I can just say, hey, kind of go for it and do as you please. But you can see like the chat is really cool because it's doing the thinking, it's showing all the different prompts. It has the environment designer. It's inviting everything it needs to the chat to make that entire stick figure animation style that I was showing you earlier on in this video, the ones that are doing really well on YouTube, really well on Instagram and TikTok. And you have access to the latest and best models for image generation, for video generation. So this video here that I'm shooting, that I'm making in using Seedance 2.0. I have talked about this tool in the past. Character consistency is great. I can take my one character and upload it multiple video idea inputs and generate multiple videos with the same character, and I can create an entire series of my same styled stick person going through explaining different topics or doing different things. And really all I'm doing is saying, hey, I'm satisfied or I'm not satisfied, make adjustments here, make adjustments there, and I'm just going to take my idea, my story, and bring it to life. So truthfully, the barrier to entry is just having a good idea, having a title for a video, having a good thumbnail, having people click it. But the actual tech, you don't need to be tech savvy. You can just make stories of whatever you want. OiiOii is a tool that I've personally been enjoying and just kind of love using because I can make all sorts of different stories, different things that I want come to life. Now I can make them. And the entire thing is really cool. We have our canvas and you can go through and you can see everything that it's generating as it is generating it. So we have different scenes and we have our storyboard that it's working on and the different roles. And I love the character cards that it generates. And eventually our storyboard will be able to be generated into a video, and then the video will be able to be all combined to show you like what I showed you at the start of this video with our like stick figure video that we created. So we don't have to draw these stick figure animations frame by frame. We're using the multi-agent canvas. It's going to do 99% of the heavy lifting for us. All we're doing is coming up with that story. Standard animation takes weeks, if not months. By the time you finish that one video, the trend, the idea of whatever you want is, well, already dead. Stick figures are so easy. You can duplicate them. They're universally recognized. Even stick figures would require manual frame-by-frame editing. You don't need to do that anymore. You can quickly build that reoccurring stick figure character that's going to become the face of your channel. You can create 5 to 10 episodes so quickly. So you can see our final video was like produced. We can go through everything. We can say, hey, I want to adjust the video. We can go through. We can adjust the scale, the duration, the dialogue. We can do changing the background music. You can change everything. Honestly, the tech just kind of disappears. So again, create that story, bring it to life, add in a good thumbnail, a good title. You're going to actually make something that can make you money. You come up with the idea, OiiOii handles the tech, handles the video part, and it does a very good job. I do have a link in the description below where if you sign up normally you get 100 credits. If you sign up with my link, you get 200, so you get double the free amount. And then if you do end up subscribing, there is a bonus because you're using my link where you're going to get a bonus anywhere between like 40 and 4,000 credits depending on which one you subscribe to. So you have access to all the tools. You just have to bring your own ideas. Click that link and you can get started. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. What do you want to see me create next with this tool? Like the video if you enjoyed this content. Tell the algorithm you enjoy it and want to see more of it. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest and greatest AI. It's completely free. Go click the button. I'll see you next time.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.